Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I was asked by one of the subscribers to show a video of taking out a transformer, so let's have a look. This is, I'll mention it, this is one of the easiest ways to make a few dollars really. Another microwave there. I just scrapped one microwave. Now this is what a transformer looks like, and it's inside the microwave. This is the fan motor at the back right here, and sometimes they also have another small transformer on the board itself, so we'll have a look, along with some cable, some magnets and other bits and pieces that if you really want to collect you can. Now the one that I just pulled apart just before, you can actually see that that is actual copper. So both of these are copper, which is really good. It's very rare today because a lot of the newer microwaves, this bottom coil here is actually aluminium. Now it's one of the simplest things, and each of these costs about $5–10 in scrap value, depending on the weight and the prices, of course. So what you're going to need, just a drill. Let's remove all these screws. Alright, now we can open this. Okay, so that's what it looks like. There's our transformer, there's our fan motor, there are some magnets in there, some cables. The transformer I was talking about, this one here, that's this microwave that we just pulled. It's got a slightly smaller one, but that's how it actually, they're all different. Every microwave is different. You're not going to get the same. So 4 screws. Once you remove them, transformer is ready to come out. Get some side cutters. That's it, easy as that. And each of them at least 5 kilo in weight. Now let's have a look. Alright, so this one here is aluminium, and you can see how bright, the bright silver color, which means that one is aluminium, but most likely this one here will be copper. Now you can also scrap them even further. The ones with aluminium bottom, they're not really worth it, but these ones definitely. So what I'll be doing is putting this one aside. Later on we'll grind this, open it up and remove these 2 copper coils. That's just if you want to profit a bit more. So keep all the wire, fan. Normally just says 2. I have a video in regards to scrapping these out, and if it's worth it, I'll put it in the links below, and it tells you exactly if this is worth scrapping or not. I mean micro scrapping. Alright, there we go. Also, there's other good things that you can also take off. Just take that out. Right. Every little bit adds up, believe me. So alrighty, let's cut this cable off. Now, you can scrap this even further, but you have to be mindful of time. So if you're in this side hustle to make money, you have to be mindful about how long it's taking you to actually do this. Because really you want to make money. Now, microwave's also good for when you have a lot of cable and other bits and pieces. You can just load it in there and there we go, microwave scrapped. So it's very, very easy. Let's have a look at this one here, and you can do it fairly quickly too, you know. Just cut the cord, leave the cord there for later. So let's see, remove the screw. You can do one in a few minutes easily. Get the transformer. Some are a little bit trickier than others to get out, as you can see, but where there's will, there's a way. Alright, this one is slightly smaller again, because the micro was smaller, and once again, this is aluminium. Not to worry, this will all go in as transformers, electric motors, so it doesn't really matter. Still going to get a lot more value than just taking it in as scrap metal. There we go. Fan motor. Well, pretty much it. Just clean up some of these cables. Now, some scrappers don't bother with these cables because they're only low grade. They're only tiny, but even they do add up, and you know, every little bit of it counts. So why not for an extra 1 minute? It's worth it. There we go. And we're done. Not sure how long that was, but probably a couple of minutes, I'd say. Put all the rubbish back in there. And we're done. Easy as that. that will go in the trailer now as scrap metal, which again we're going to profit from. We're going to profit from separating the good stuff, and we're on to a winner. So guys, leave us a like, and we'll see you on in the next one. Bye for now.